Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about array except function in Spark SQL. So why do we use array except function? So it returns an array of elements in array 1 but not in array 2 without duplicates. So let's discuss this statement, but first let's discuss about the signature of the method. So this is the signature of the method. It has two parameters. One is array 1 and array 2. So why do we use array except function? If there is a requirement to compare two array and figure it out that element which is present in array 1 but it is not present in array 2. So it will going to give you a array of elements which is present in array 1 but it is not present in array 2. If this kind of a requirement is there, so we need to use array except function. In this exercise, I am going to create this table. These are the attributes of the table. Once this table gets created, I am going to insert some records with the help of this insert statement. When all the insert statement inserts the data in this table, then I will going to write this query. Let's discuss what I am doing in this query. First, I am just creating a CTE. CTE is nothing but a temporary list, temporary table. So whatever the query we want, we generally do or write for a normal table, those query we can write for this CTE. Here I am just using a collect list. So collect list will going to create a array by taking all the data which is present in the AP salary and in store in an array, and that array will be available in this column. Once this CT gets created, then I am going to use this array append function. Again, here I am also creating a CT, and in the CT I am just selecting this array column which we have created here with the help of a collect list function, and also we are going to use this array append function. So what array append function will going to do, it will take one array and it will also going to take an element. So array append function will going to append this element at the last position of this array, and again it will going to store in the column, and the name of the column is this one. So now we have two array, one is this one and another is this one. Now here what we are just doing, we are calling this array except function, and we are passing two array 1 and array 2. So what it will going to do, it will going to return a list of element which is present in this array but not present in this array. So let's do this exercise over Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Let me name as a array except. So to perform this exercise, we need a table and we need some data in that table. For this, we need to create two scripts. One script is for to create the table, and second script will have a lot of insert statement to insert the data in that particular table. To save time, I have already created both the scripts. Let me copy the table creation script. Let me copy and let me paste here. Databricks will going to create this table. The table is being created. We need to wait. it is taking some time. Okay, the table has been created successfully. Now let's insert some records in it. So I have already created couple of insert statements. Let me copy this insert statement and paste here and run it. A Spark will going to run each and every insert statement one by one. Insert statements are executing. Let's wait couple of more minutes. Let's wait till all the insert script run successfully. Okay, all the insert scripts have been executed successfully. Let's check the data. We can validate these are the same data which we have inserted with the help of this insert script. Now let's see how array except function works. But we know that array except function will work on the array only. But here we can see there are no column which is of an array type, or the data which is of a which is stored in the form of an array. So let's first create a column of array type. Let me format this cell so that the query will be more visible. So how we are going to create a list? We are going to create a list with the help of a collect list function by passing the column. So what it will going to do, it will going to take all the elements which is present in this column AP salary, this one, and it will create a array. And let me give a alias as AP salary list. Okay, we can see this is the column, and the column, the data is stored in the form of a array. Now let's put this select statement within a CTE. Let me format it again and let me run it. Okay, same records is there. This is the list which we are creating with the help of this collect list function, and we are selecting it from this CTE. This CTE we have created here. Now we have only one array, but we need two array because the parameter which array except function will going to take, it has two array. So let me create one more array element. So how we are going to create one more array element? Let me put this also in a CTE. Let me put in the bracket. Let me format it. Here, let me create one more element. So how we are go? Let one more element in the sense we are going to create one more array list. So how we are going to create it? So let's create from this array. So what I am doing here, I am just using array append. Okay. In array append, I am taking this array and I am appending one more element at the end. And giving alias as AP salary list append. Here, let me select this as well. Now let me format it. Now let me run it. We can see there are two list column. One is AP salary list and one is AP salary list append. So, but AP salary list append has one more element, that is this one, which we have appended here, right? This one. Now let's use array except function. So in the array except function, what it will going to do? It will going to take two array. First array is this one. Second array is this one. So, and it will going to return a list, a separate array, means a new array. So what it will going to do? It will check the records in this array and in this array, and it will going to return a elements in the form of array which is present in this array list, but those elements are not present in this array list. Let me just select these two array as well for the more visibility. Let me run it. So we can see this is the array list, this is the array list, and here it's creating one more array list. Okay, that array list is has been created with the array except function, and this array except function, it will going to look into this list data and this list data, and it will going to return as an output elements in the form of list which is present in this list, but it is not present in this list. We can able to see here this record is present in this array list, but it is not present in this array list. Hence, we have seen here how we can use array except function in Spark SQL. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.